Ma'am, are you writing anything on the screen?
Not yet, ma. Students are waiting in the meet. Let them invite everyone. Then we will start.
Ma'am, what were you telling? I joined late.
Just now we started, Nana. We didn't start at the class. Just now.
Ma'am, can you send a last class recording, ma'am?
Yeah.
Good
last.
evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Namaste,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you send Saturdays and Mondays recording? Ma'am?
No, I think yesterday I didn't record. The option is not happening in WhatsApp, Vishnu. But last part
Okay, ma'am.
after the session, few minutes I recorded. I will share that. And the other day, okay, I will see and I'll share with you.
Ma'am, which chapter did you start?
Factorization.
Factorization.
Okay,
we
factorization.
started. Yeah, factorization. Today also the same concept we will go, children. Please see that some part of extension portion we will go. Not the same. Yeah. Someone is Satvik.
Ma'am, yesterday I recorded, ma'am, but the sound is not coming.
Okay, maybe your recorded screen, right? Maybe it's sound, maybe it is not happening.
Yes, ma'am. Only
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah. Today also it is happened for me, same thing. Some other class, if I started recording only video displayed, not audio is not coming.
Ma'am,
I don't know what is-
actually, I pressed the mute mic button off, ma'am. That's why the sound did not come. If I do that, it will come.
What is the option we supposed to take there?
Ma'am, means in my phone, there is inbuilt, ma'am. That's why from that.
Okay. Right, children, right. Anyway, we'll start today's once again the same and we'll go with a little complexity in the sums. Yeah, regrouping, and we discussed about factorization by regrouping and method of common factors. These are the two methods we discussed in previous class, children. Let me recapitalize one or two bits. Then we have to start factorization using identities. A very, very important thing. Factorization using identities. Yeah. Then this screen I supposed to take big screen means what I should yeah, I can take here, right? This is a new laptop, children. Today I'm using my husband's laptop.
Ma'am,
Because
what about your old laptop, ma'am?
my laptop is not supporting in school. I'm taking it is not supported from I don't know what is the reason, children. The network is not connected, not at all connected to school network. In home it is connected, but in school I don't know what is the reason.
Ma'am, you have to enter password for the network.
I entered the password, Nana, but I don't know the reason. But the technical support team also came and they are asking. I'm asking them to solve the problem, but they said, "Ma'am, your laptop is too old. That's why it's not supporting our technology." They said that's why I'm asking today. I'm taking another one, Nana. Yeah, children, this I supposed to enlarge big means what I should do. This one. Yeah. Right. Now you see, children, factorization with regrouping using identities. We will discuss little later. Just go with one more regrouping. Some children in this 15xy. 15.
Ma'am, can you explain yesterday's and Saturdays, ma'am?
Yeah, same thing. You just follow today's class 1-2 bits. We will discuss the same.
Okay,
then
ma'am.
we can go ahead. Okay.
Ma'am, could you explain with examples?
Yeah, sure. One or two examples, please. I think you are really little good. You can catch easily. First one, common factors method we discussed, Vishnu. In that 3x square, let me share one question. 3x square, y cube, then 10x x cube and y square. And the last one is given here, 6x square, y square, z. Using common factors method, by seeing these all things.
Ma'am, in everything, x square and y square are common, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am,
good.
x square and y square.
X square and Y square are common. Any other factors are there, Nana? Any other factors are there?
Ma'am, 3 6 are common, ma'am, because 3 1 are 3 2.
Only that, only 3 and 6 are factors.
Very good. So X square and Y square is common in everything. So what we can write here, what is left over if I'm taking X square and Y
3x.
square, Y square I'm
3y.
taking
3y.
yeah,
3y.
only Y.
3y.
So 3y. 3y. In the second term, children, this
10.
one,
Only 10.
10.
No,
10?
10x. 10x.
Very good. 10x. So here,
6.
6z.
6z. 6z.
6z. Like that, slowly you have to using common. This is common factors. How we supposed to find out the common factors means you are seeing in all the terms, children, which is common in all the terms. You have to check also. Here, if you see x to the power 2 is there, here x to the power 3 is there. Here x to the power 3 is there, y square is there. Minimum things, minimum all it should be happen, x square and y square. So x square and y square will in all the terms, it appears in all the terms. So we are going to eliminate the common factors and we have to do ahead. The same way, yeah.
Ma'am, can you explain how you did the first one, ma'am?
See, 3x square y cube, Vishnu. In this 3x square y cube can be written as 3x into x. Y can be written as y into y into
Y
y.
into Y, ma'am.
So I'm taking what the students are telling, ma'am, this is x square, y square as a common means this is
Yes, ma'am,
x
x
square,
square.
this is y square. What is left over, Vishnu?
Ma'am, 3y, ma'am.
Yeah, like that we can expand and do. Okay.
Ma'am, why did you write like x square and y square beside it, ma'am?
Common, we are taking common, right? In that things.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose in addition, subtraction, we need to simplify, right, Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let me take one more question so that you can understand. Here, you just see, factorize the following expressions. They just give the question like that. 20 L square M, 20 L square M plus 30 ALM, ALM. In this, which is common factor?
Ma'am, L and M.
L and M is common. Okay, not only L and M.
No, ma'am,
Any-
10 L and M.
Yeah,
20
10,
and 30, ma'am. 20
Yes.
and 30.
Yes, ma'am,
It will
10.
be 10. The factor of 20 will be 10.
10 LM, right?
Yes,
so here
ma'am.
10 twos are
10 twos
20 children. One L is over. So only another L is there. And left over what you have? Another
3.
part.
Only
3A,
3.
ma'am.
3.
3A.
LM
3A.
is okay, 3A. That's all children.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is nothing but 10 LM. Sorry, children, I use bracket 2L plus 3A. This is the way we can factorize the expression, given expression, how we have to factorize
ma'am.
using common factors method. By eliminating common factors, Nana, you are taking outside the common factors in the given expression so that we can factorize the algebraic expression. This is one way of doing. Another way is regrouping the things. Regrouping is nothing but we are grouping in different properties also, we are grouping numbers. The same way here we are regrouping the things. Suppose the question is 15xy, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y plus minus 2 children, minus 2. In this case, which one I need to regroup, children? I need to make as a friends group. Which one can we make it as these two terms as a regroup, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why?
Yes,
Because if you
always
see,
common, that's right.
exactly. So I just regrouping the terms. Third term I'm taking to second term, and second term I'm just sending as a third place. The same thing, children, you have to do as it is, like a factors, common factors. Which are common factors in these two? Please let me know. What are common
Ma'am,
factors?
5.
5y, ma'am.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
15
5y.
can be
5y.
written as 5 3s are yes and xy, and another one is 5y can be written as 5 into y. What are common here?
5
5y.
and y.
5, ma'am.
Yeah, 5y is common, children. So what is
And
left
y
over?
is
Left over is
3x, 3x.
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 And here 5y, if you take only
One.
1, no number means 1 children. But in this case, you need to think little. Signs are there. Signs are there. Is any other
Ma'am.
way? Yes.
Plus
Ma'am, 3x
plus
minus
2
1.
into 3.
No, if you take plus 3, we are not going to get the same term common factor. No, so
Ma'am,
that
we
what
can
if
take it as 3x minus 1.
minus 2 you should take as a common.
Okay, ma'am.
Minus 2 you should take as a common. Why? Because 6x can be written as what we can write as 6x children. 2
3
into
into
3
x.
into x. And the same 2 can be written as 2 into 1, right? What is common factor here? What is common here? Only 2. But the sign is also there. You just see children both. Minus 2 I should take as a common. So minus 2, if you am taking, what is left over in first term? 3x. Yes, second term, what is left over? Only 1. Anyway, minus you are taking outside, so plus 1 you are taking. If you further multiply this also, you will get the same children. You have to see and check also. Minus 2 into 3, how much? Minus 6x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. It should be satisfied. If I am doing like that, it should be satisfied. What is common in the above two terms? Yes, what is common in here? Children,
Ma'am,
what is
3x plus 1.
3x plus 1 is a common. Then left over, Krishna, what is left
5y
over?
minus 2.
5y minus 2. This is one way of doing factorizing the algebraic expression. This method we can call it as, regrouping method. Regrouping method, children. Sometimes they won't ask any method. Sometimes particularly they're asking about you have to solve the expression using regrouping method, means you have to use that. Next one.
Ma'am, can you explain third sum from the third step?
From third step. Yeah. First step, what I did, I just third term, I just make it as a second term. Second term, I make it as a third term. That is the first step. I just regrouped. In
Yes,
first
ma'am.
two terms, which is common, you just see, I wrote in the beside also. You just see here.
Ma'am,
Yeah. You just see here, 15xy can be written as 15xy can be written as,
ma'am, 5 into 3xy.
yeah, 3 into 5 or anything you can write it as. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here another term, second term, you have 5x,
Yes.
5y only.
Yes, ma'am.
5y can be written as 5 into
5
y,
into y, ma'am.
which is common here both
5, ma'am. 5.
5 and
5
y
and
also.
y, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is left over, Vishnu?
Ma'am, 3 and
X.
x.
So that only I wrote here, Vishnu. You just see 3x I wrote. And in second term, no number is not there, means just we can, any number can be expressed as a 1 into, right, children? 2 can be
Yes, ma'am.
expressed as 2 into 1. Yes
If
or
no
no?
numbers are left, we have to keep 1, right? No?
1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
same thing in other two terms I'm taking as minus 2 as common. So what is left over? 3x plus 1 is left over. By blindly you can check, children, whatever the common factor you are getting in the first, same should appear, children, then only you are doing is correct, or else you have to recheck once again. Okay, children, still any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Hello?
Clear.
Pallav is there in the meet, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, Pallav, in this factorization part?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Shall we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, factorization using identities. What are the different identities we discussed, Pallav? Yes. What are the identity we used? What are the identities we discussed earlier? Yes. What are the identities we discussed earlier, children? Why you are thinking, children? What are the identities we discussed earlier?
Ma'am, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square.
Very good. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. X plus A into X plus B is nothing but X square plus AB into X plus AB. Yes, yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please solve this sum, children. Regroup and factorize the following expression I'm giving. Just one expression I'll give, children. Please do your own and give your answer, children. Yeah, quickly, because you have to do in the exam your own. I'm not there in your examination. 9xy minus 12 plus, sorry, it's not plus, it's minus. Yeah, it's minus. So 9xy minus 12 minus 12y. Come on, children, this is your task, children. Minus 12y plus 9x plus 9x. Please regroup this and give the factorize the following expression. Regrouping by using regrouping method, factorize the following expression.
Ma'am, I got one, Krishna Vidya.
Krishna, what is your answer, Krishna?
Ma'am, I got 9x minus 12 into
Okay.
y plus 1.
Very good, Krishna. Just a minute, Krishna. I'll come to you. Children, can we go ahead, children? Yes. Krishna, what's your answer? Please tell your answer, Krishna.
9x minus 12
9x
into
minus
12, ma'am.
12.
12
Very good. 9x minus 12
into y plus 1.
into y plus 1.
One.
Very good. Very good, Krishna. Very good. Which one you regrouped, Krishna, here?
Ma'am, 9xy plus 9x
Plus 9x
minus 12 minus 12y.
minus 12y. So if you regroup here in this two, what you've taken common?
9x is common, ma'am.
Okay, then what is left
And
over
y
here?
plus 1.
Y plus 1. Here,
Y
what number you are taking as a
plus
common?
1.
Yeah, here which
Minus
number you are
12.
taking? Minus 12. Very good, Krishna. So if you take as a common one, what is left over, Krishna? 1 plus y.
Plus y, ma'am.
Yeah, anything
Y.
both are same. Y plus 1, y, 1 plus y, both are same. So you're taking y plus 1 as a common. 9x minus 12. Wonderful, children. Good. Very good. Children,
understood.
yeah, you understood. And who have doubts still, please let me know. Divyesh, Dev, are you there? Divyesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, did you understand any doubt here, Divyesh? Because these are very important, Divyesh. We're supposed to, once it is clarified, then we can go ahead with some other part of identities.
Ma'am, can you explain once again?
Sure.
If that's possible. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We'll go with some other example or same example we'll go.
Ma'am, some other example, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Just to see, children, here, factorize using regrouping. Sometimes they won't give any method, but sometimes they will specifically mention the regrouping method. Here, another bit I'm taking A, P, Q, A, P, Q plus B, C, P, Q. You need to scan the question like a robo. Then only you can understand which terms you're supposed to take as a common. A, R, minus BCR. By seeing these two things, which part I can make as a regroup?
Ma'am, first two and last two we can regroup, ma'am.
First one,
Ma'am, first two and last two.
Two and last two, ma'am.
first
PQ,
two
PQ.
and last two you are taking.
Ma'am,
Yes,
PQ and
ma'am.
R, ma'am.
PQ
PQ
and
and
R.
R.
Okay, if I'm taking first to what PQ I'm taking, I supposed to take as a PQ, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if
Yes,
I'm taking PQ, what is left over here, Satvik? A plus
A plus
BC.
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 Which number I supposed to take
R,
in this?
R.
Which R? Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus R.
Minus R I supposed to take. If I'm taking minus R, what is?
A plus
It
BC.
should come same, Namna. If you are doing
Yes.
correct means it will come same. What you get earlier.
Yes, ma'am. A plus B.
A plus BC, ma'am.
BC, ma'am.
Yes, A plus BC. So what is here? A PQ
PQ
minus
minus R.
R and the other term, both the common term is
A
A
plus
plus
BC.
BC.
A plus
Yes,
BC.
this is the way step by step. Yes, yes. Did you
Yes,
understand, children?
Understood.
Shall I go with one more example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sure,
please.
ma'am.
Because children, most of the good students also do the some part of the things you have to learn thoroughly, children. This is one of the chapter common mistakes done by the students. So you need to be little careful while doing the sums. Once you understand, you can play the game. C minus 11 plus 11AB minus ABC. By seeing it seems which one we supposed to take care as take as a common.
Ma'am, C and minus ABC we can take as common.
Ma'am, minus 11 and 11AB also we can take as common.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Ma'am, means the C and minus ABC and minus
So
11
I'm
and
taking first two terms as it is, children. I'm not disturbing this. So in this case, what I supposed to take care? I can remove. I can remove what I supposed to remove here.
AB.
ABs. If I'm removing ABs, what happening?
11.
11 minus C. But here what you have?
C minus 11.
So what number we supposed to, or else you can go with further step. If you are doing till here correct, you have to be take as either 11 minus C or C minus 11. So I'm taking in these two minus sign as I'm eliminating. Minus I'm taking outside. So this becomes 11 minus C, 11 minus C plus AB into 11 minus C. This is a special case, children. Please try to understand why I'm taking minus me. I'm not getting the same thing. So I'm taking minus as a common to make as a like, Children, in this case, which is common in both the expressions? 11 minus C is common. And what is?
Before I was having a mic issue, so I cannot respond.
Okay, right. So 11 minus C bracket AB minus 1. You can rearrange, children. You can write in any order. So I write AB minus 1. Yes, any doubt in sixth bit? Divyesh?
Proud, ma'am.
No, I'm okay.
Divyesh, any doubt, Nana?
Yes,
And-
ma'am.
Yeah, Ritvik is there in the classroom. Sahasra,
Yeah, one thing that Friday cover has to be moved.
Navyasri. Navyasri. Any doubt, Navyasri? Okay, Likita.
Ma'am, Jasmita is unmuted, ma'am. Background noise is coming.
Someone unmuted. Who is that? Satvik?
Ma'am, Jasmita was unmuted. Now she is muted, ma'am.
Okay, right. Now let me take another part of factorizing using identities. I won't go, children, shall I give more bits for your practice? I will give, or else we will go with factorization using identities. Yes, shall we go ahead? Yes, can I give more sums or shall we go further, children?
Ma'am will go with identities.
Okay, right, children. Factorization with identities. Factorization using identities. Using identities. So we discussed about different identities. Navyasri, please, what are the identities we discussed? Please, can you give the one of our identities? I gave 4 important
One is
identities.
a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
2ab plus b square. Very good. Wait. Next. Likita, please. What is another identity we used? Likita. Satvik.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A minus b whole square is a square minus
Minus
2ab.
2ab plus b square.
Very good. What
Ma'am,
is the
Satvik should I say?
Satvik? Come on, continue.
A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square.
Very good. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Jashmita, can you give fourth identity, Nana?
X plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab.
X square plus ab plus
A
b into
into x plus a.
Yeah. Joya, please, can you give another identity, Zoya?
Yes,
Zoya.
ma'am.
Yeah,
X
please.
minus a into x minus b,
Very good.
that is x square minus x into a plus b.
X
Plus
square plus or minus, yes, ma? Plus or minus? Very good. Minus a plus b into x.
X plus ab.
Wonderful. Right, Nana. Good. Next. Okay, this is enough for us to go. And if you want further, we will enlarge those things, children.
Ma'am, I know
Next.
one more, ma'am. I know one more.
Yeah, please. Follow.
Ma'am, Satvik, ma'am.
Yeah, Satvik, please tell me.
A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab.
A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square.
Minus 2ab.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, same for this only. It will be
See,
a minus b whole
exactly.
square plus 2ab.
Yeah, same thing you are rearranging, Nana. To get these two terms, you just send this term to other side means it is minus 2ab. These are the basic, these 4 are the base terms, Nana. If you use this, you can build many identities. This 4 is very important. Must and should each and every child is supposed to learn the identities. Those 4 is very important. If you know this, you can further develop many identities based on that sub identities. Okay, now this is the thing.
On my identity.
What, ma?
May I see other identity?
Yeah, Vishnu, please.
Krishna Aditya, ma'am.
Krishna, please.
Ma'am, a plus b plus c whole square.
Very good. A plus b plus c whole square equal to? Good.
A square plus b square plus c square
A square plus b square plus c square.
plus 2ab plus
Very
2
good.
plus 2
Wonderful, Nana. 2CA or 2AC. Wonderful. Good job. Good job. Very good. Please go through, children. How many? Because as a kid's minds are very powerful, children. How much stuff you are giving in this age, it will enlarge that much and it will capture many things, children. Please don't feel difficult. Don't feel. You can try your own. You can try to remember the identities. Good job. Right.
Ma'am, I know more 2 and 3, ma'am.
Yes, please tell. Please tell. I will write on the screen. Good.
A plus b is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab.
A plus b whole square.
Ma'am, not this, ma'am. A square. Yes, ma'am. You can even write like that also. A plus b whole square plus 2ab.
A plus b whole square. No, you're asking about, okay, a plus square root of a square plus b square minus 2ab, you're telling?
Ma'am, plus 2ab, ma'am.
Okay, plus 2ab. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, same this only for A minus B.
Very good, Nana. A minus B can be written as A square plus B.
Plus B square minus 2AB.
Wonderful. Good job. Good.
Ma'am, there is one more, ma'am, last one.
Yes, please tell.
X plus A into X minus
Yes.
X minus B is equal to X square plus X into A minus B minus AB.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Good job. Yeah, children, very good. You're really good children. I'll appreciate you. My students are always advanced. Good. Good children. Right. Shall we go with the practice some children on these identities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, factorize the following expression using identities. Let me write the left portion. We have some other. In this method, the first question is 4p square plus 4pq plus 4pq plus q square. Yeah. In this case, you see children, which by seeing it seems which identity we can use here. Just wait, children, don't answer, please. I will call the student. Vishnu, are you there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Which identity we can use here, Vishnu? Yes. By seeing it seems which identity we can use. Is it in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Can we write this as 2p whole square? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, we can write.
Plus 2 into 2p into q, then q
Plus
square.
Q square.
It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write it as a plus b whole square, right, ma? A plus b.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a here, children? What is a? A is nothing but 2p.
Square.
B is nothing but.
Q whole
Q
square.
square, ma'am.
So can we? How we supposed to write?
2p plus Q whole square.
Now 2p plus q whole square can be
Yes, ma'am.
factorized like 2p plus q into 2p plus q. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, this is the way we can use. That's why identities are most important. This is only basic question, children. We have further many questions to solve. Let me write. Children, if I'm not calling few students, please respond, children, ma'am. Be ahead because who is Shreyashi? Are you there in the meet? Shreyashi, let me check 1 minute, children. 1 minute. How many participants are there, ma?
Ma'am, 11 including you.
Okay, 1 minute. Pallav,
There
Sahasra.
are 10 members.
Sahasra, Shreyashi, are you there? Shreyashi, are you there? Sahasra, Shreyashi? Because a few students are not responding to me. Yeah, please. Yeah, Sahasra, please answer the question. Factorize.
Ma'am, Shreyashi is not able to unmute, ma'am. She wrote in chat.
Okay, Shreyashi. Shreyashi. Yes, Satvik, is it Shreyashi?
Yes, ma'am. Shreyashi. ma'am.
Okay, that's why the class is calm, or else she will happily speak and she can. Yeah, 9a square, Shreyashi, it is too boring. If you please make your mic active always. Yes, 9a square minus 66ab plus 121b square. Now this question goes to Sahasra. Please respond, Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, by seeing this, which identity we can use here? This is, you just see, Sahasra. First term, can we write it as first term? Yes.
A whole power 2
Very good. Minus 2 into
minus
2 into
to
this is a term.
33.
Rest of the term you send it as a B, Nana. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 66. 11 6 are 66 kadama. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which term we can take?
11B.
Very good. This is, Very good. Wait, Jashmita, let her think and answer. Yeah. 121b square can be written as? Sahasra?
11b square.
Very good.
Over 2.
This is nothing but which identity we can use by seeing this? Which identity we can use here? Can we
Ma'am,
use?
it will be
Ma'am, this is Tracy.
Okay. I'm waiting. Wait. Yeah, Sahasra.
Ma'am, it will be a minus b whole power.
Whole square. Very good,
Whole
Nana.
square.
Very good. Once you identify, then our task is over. Right. Yes, sir. No, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same format. We can write it as what we can write it as. We can write it as a minus b. What is a here, children? What is a here?
A square. And
3a.
3a,
b square.
11b.
11.
You just
Yes, ma'am,
substitute
11.
in this. You just substitute in this. So 3a minus 11b
whole
11b
whole square.
whole square.
So any number can be written as a whole square means what we should do, ma? We can just
It should multiply by itself.
yes, 2 times we are repeatedly. This is very good. 3a minus 11b
Minus 11b
into 3a
into
minus
3a minus 11b.
this is the task, children. Yes. Yeah, next question goes to Krishnaditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Which identity we can use here, Krishna? 64x square minus 81b square.
Ma'am, a square minus b square.
Very
equal-
good. A square minus b square is nothing but
A plus b into a minus b.
a plus b bracket, a minus b bracket. Very good. So here, what is a value? This can be written as 64 can be written as, can I write it as
8
Whole square, ma'am.
8x whole square? Very good. 81 can be written as
9b whole square.
9b whole square.
wonderful. Then
8x plus 9b
good.
into 8x minus 9b.
Right, Nana. Good. Yes. Next question. Pallav, are you able to give answer? Shreyashi? Shreyashi, are you ready to give
Yes, ma'am.
answer? Okay, be ready. This is the task for you. Not only Shreyashi, children, you also please think and be ready with your answers. You can post in the chat. Who are going to post first is appreciable thing. 18a square plus 48ab plus 32b square.
Ma'am, I am answering that.
What happened?
Ma'am, I'm answering that, ma'am. To you privately, yes, ma'am.
Shreyashi, what Shreyashi is telling, I didn't get the voice of
Ma'am, I'm
Shreyashi.
telling that, ma'am. We have to answer it privately, right, ma'am, or I have to speak it.
You speak and tell. Yeah, this is really
Ma'am, what
little.
about others, ma'am? They must be writing the answer, ma'am.
They should write. Let them do and think, ma. Don't worry. You just one student I'm calling individually. They will also get the chance, right?
Sorry, ma'am, I gave the wrong answer, ma'am, over there. Ma'am, I was
Okay.
writing.
You are giving in the chat box. You want to give in chat?
Yes, ma'am, I'm giving a chat box, ma'am.
Okay. Then Navyasri.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
wait,
ma'am.
I guess
Yeah,
I'll tell it
Navyasri.
orally on.
Okay. Yeah. What is the way? Which identity we can use here, Navyasri?
We can use first identity, ma'am. A plus b whole square is equal to
What
A.
is a value? I can't do 18a as any square. 18 is not a exact square, right?
Ma'am?
So in this case, is a some special is there. Who will tell? Divyesh,
Ma'am, I'll tell, ma'am.
Krishna, Sahasra,
Ma'am, I'll
Joya.
tell, ma'am.
Who will give the first? Yes, what I should do in this case? Jashmita.
Ma'am, what I got the answer. Ma'am, you can hear me right, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you. Just tell your answer. I will write on the screen. Tell your answer.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am,
Yeah.
18a square minus
Ah,
18a square minus 24ab
okay.
minus 24ab
Okay.
plus 32b square.
Okay.
Ma'am, then next line, ma'am. 6a,
Okay.
6a, 3a minus 4b.
6. What I should take, ma? 6?
6a, then in bracket 3a minus 4b.
No, this is okay. This you are regrouping and giving answer. I want identity, using identity. Which identity you can use here? That's my question. Who will give this clue, children? Really good. Who will give? Satvik? Pallav?
Identity, ma'am. Ma'am, in which it comes, ma'am, a square plus
Yes, anyway, that is
AB
also
equal
will
plus
come. That's
b
also
square.
will come. Shreyashi, which identity we can use? Please think and give. Shreyashi, that's also correct. You can, if you solve like that, also we will get the answer. But you need to use some identity here. Krishnaditya.
Ma'am,
By seeing it seems which number is common, Nana. That's why I'm giving one of the question is given. Same questions are not happening in the competitive exams. Children, direct questions they won't give. By seeing this number,
who is
what is
common, ma'am?
which is common?
2.
Very good. If I'm taking 2 as a common, what happens, Krishna? This one?
Minus a square
Okay.
plus 24 AB
Okay.
plus 16 B square.
Right. Right. So is this, can we write this as a 3a whole square? Yes. Now we can write, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why you need to think, children. Please, some part you have to think. So this can be 2 into a value as we get as a 3a, and b is nothing but a 16 means a 4b, and plus 4b whole square. Right. Now which identity we can use? Which identity we can use?
Ma'am, a square, a plus b
Ma'am,
whole
A
square.
plus B whole square.
Yeah, so 3a plus 4b whole square. Can I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So what is
Then
further step? I can write it as 2 times of this.
3A plus 2B into 3A plus 2B. 3A plus 4B.
Any doubt here, children? Yes, any doubt? Sometimes this is the way also given, children. So don't think, don't feel, yeah, even Shreyashi is doing well. Let me check Shreyashi. Shreyashi, can you give your steps right now? Shreyashi, are you there? Shreyashi, are you there? She is there.
Ma'am, the one, yes, ma'am, the one which I was doing before, ma'am. That
Yeah,
I can use identity, ma'am, in that, ma'am.
okay, anything. Let me whether you are getting correct answer or not. Yeah, you said this is the thing you are writing. Plus 32b square. Yeah, what I should take here? Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, you wrote everything.
Next. Yes, I wrote
Ma'am, then
everything.
6a, ma'am. 6a bracket 3a minus 4b close bracket.
3a minus
4b.
Very good. Then
minus 8b
if I'm
bracket
taking
3a minus 4b.
minus 8b, I suppose.
8b.
Okay, 3a minus
3a, okay, yeah, in bracket 3a minus 4b.
Very good.
Then now this comes common, so the answer is the common one over in the bracket is 3a minus 4b, and then the another leftover is 6a minus 8b.
Wonderful, Shreyashi. Very good. Very good. This is the way. See, this is using identities. This is using regrouping, children. You understand, children? Any method, if you do, you will get the same answer. Even she's supposed to use another further this as first two, this term 2 is a common. So she can eliminate 2 outside, and she can take 3a minus 4b and 3a minus 4b. The same answer, what we get the same. This is she is also getting the same. Very good. Good job. We are talking about using identities. So I'm just asking about identity. Even you can do this. They won't give any mention specific method, means you can take any method, children.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
If
before
any
also I
specific,
didn't know that my mic was not working, ma'am. Before itself, I didn't even know that my mic was not working, ma'am. Still, I was talking, ma'am. Later, when you
Oh.
told, I guess I cannot hear you, Resi, then I thought, why is my not working my mic?
okay.
Then I rejoined. Now it's working.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. Now, can we go further? Other bits, children? Yes. Shall we go further, children? Signs are yeah. This is easy only. Some part of thinking should be happen here. Question number 5. 81 a to the power 4 minus 16b to the power 4. Satvik should give the answer for this question. Satvik, are you there? Satvik, are you there? Satri? నెట్టుందమ్మా? అయ్యో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయాను రా నేను. ఇన్సేపు పోయిందా? Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Why?
I'm getting doubt, children. Some part your pin drop silent class is going on here.
Ma'am, Satvik is not responding. That's it.
Okay. Maybe. Yeah, Vishnu, can you tell this answer? Which identity we can use here?
Ma'am, is
Yes.
A square minus 2ab plus b square?
No. Zoya, please, which identity we can use over here?
Ma'am, A square minus b square.
Wonderful. A square minus b square. What is the value of a here?
Ma'am, and get 9.
9a square.
Yes, 9a square.
Ma'am, and the next one it is 4b square.
4b square. That's all, children. Once you are able to write this part, means your task is over. What is a square minus b square identity? A plus b into a minus b. Right. So here 9a square plus 4b square. And what is another thing? 9a square minus 4b square. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So here further, is it possible, yes, Divyesh, is it possible to further split this part of the thing, second part? You just see this part is further, any further we can factorize this portion? Which identity we can use further?
Ma'am,
Only this part. You just leave because we are unable to
Ma'am, can I
factorize that. 1 minute. Let them think, children. Let them think. Wait. Yeah. Is it which form? Can we write it as 3a whole square?
ma'am, 3a whole square minus 2b.
Whole square. Very good. 2b whole square, which is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the identity, Divyesh? A square minus b square identity is nothing but? Yes. A square minus b square is nothing but? Children, please, whatever, whether it is correct or wrong, I will appreciate. If you answer the question, I will appreciate. A plus b into a minus b. Very good. So further, what we can take here, a is this part. A is nothing but 3a. B is nothing but 2b. Yes. So now you have to split up, children. First part as it is, you can write 9a square plus 4b square and this can be written as 3a plus 2b and 3a minus 2b. This only we are just using this identity. I just write this form. This is the factorize the following expressions. You can see, children, sometimes in one step you will get, sometimes you further, if any further simplification is also there, you can go one more step. Next question goes to Jashmita. Are you there, Jashmita? Zoya or Jashmita, please
Ma'am,
answer.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can we simplify 9a square plus 4b square further also?
How you will simplify, please tell.
A square plus b square. Can we use that formula?
A square plus b square can be, what is the formula? Satvik said the same thing you are telling. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Is it so you are telling, Ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Ma'am,
Who is this? Is it Krishna Ditya?
No, ma'am.
I know, ma'am. I got it now. I got confused.
Okay, no need, Zoya, no need, Zoya. I think, Zoya, here we just see, this is only the further, if you are taking, you can enlarge, you are not simplifying further, you are not going to factorize anything here. No need of using further, you just leave like that, Zoya. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Next question, please, Jashmita, please quickly respond, children. What is time now, right now?
Ma'am,
What
Ma'am,
is time?
6:54.
Okay, right, Anna, thank you. 4a square plus 20a bracket b plus c. Each and every bit is unique bit. So please think and do, children. Some part you need to think. I will give some support to your thinking. You just see. By seeing this, which identity we can use over here? Is any
ma'am, I think it is
Plus x
a plus b whole square.
to x
very
plus
good, Jashmita. A plus b whole square identity. What is a value, Jashmita? Can we
Ma'am,
write it
2a.
as 2a whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus to this
Ma'am,
20
a
can be written
is 2a only, right?
2a whole square. 2 square is 4, a square,
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2 into 2a into
2a
and
into
rest
5
5
b
into,
plus c.
very good. This is complete term, b term, Nana. This is a term, 2ab. Plus b square means the 25 can be written as
5 square
b plus c
whole square.
whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Very good. As you said, it's nothing but a plus b whole square means 2a plus b value is 5 into b
5
plus
into b plus c.
the whole square. This can be further write it as a 2a plus 5 into b plus c. This is one term, and one factor, another factor is the same as a 2a plus 5 into b plus c.
B plus c. Yes, ma'am.
Right. And that's all about the factorization using identities, children. I need to, I'm not using some other identity. We will just discuss that and then we can leave, children. This is a very simple thing. Very, very simple thing. Zoya, please answer this question. 8th bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer. 4p square. 4p square minus 25q square. If I'm writing question only, you can analyze what identity you can write. QR minus 49 r square. Yes.
Ma'am, who is supposed to solve this?
Zoya supposed to solve. The rest of the students also, you're supposed to give answer in the chat. which identity we can use over here. By seeing only children some part, you have to think children any clues you will get or not. This can be written as 2p square, right? This can be written as
5q square.
5q square. This you write it as sometime as it is. We will see any other part will happens or not. QR. This 49 can be written as
7r square.
7r square. If I'm taking any common in this this part, if I'm seeing you just see, if I'm taking 2p whole square, I'm taking minus as a common, then this become 5q square, 5q whole square minus minus. This is why I'm taking minus outside, means in subtrahend the signs will be opposite, so plus become minus 2 into 5q into this is 7r. You just multiply children. 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70. Very good. I got answer right now. Now minus becomes a plus 7r whole square. This is 1. Now you can go ahead children. This is 2p whole square. This can be written as what we can write, a minus b whole square identity. 5q minus 7r whole square. Again, this is in the form of which identity we can use further children? Which identity we can use?
Minus b square.
Very good. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. There are two identities we are using children. Here we are using a minus b whole square identity. Once we are getting further and further we have to factorize further. So we can use one more identity there. A square minus 2ab plus b square identity we are using here. Then you simplify and give the answer children. A plus b means here what is the step we can write? 2p plus 5q minus 7r. This is one term. And if I'm taking a minus means 2p, minus means the signs will be changed, Nana. Plus 5q become minus 5q, plus minus 7r become plus 7r. This is the terms we will get. Like that, every bit is unique. Everything is unique. Not only single questions, children. You can go with the further. This is a homework for you. Tomorrow, please think this and come with your answer. Is a to the power 4 minus a minus b whole to the power 4. This is your homework. Please write this homework and come back with your answers. That's all for the day, children. We'll discuss the next part, what we have in the next session. I think factorization is over. Once factorization is over means we have further exercises only. Yeah, factorization using identities. And okay, factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. We're supposed to see that. That will be next class. We will see that part, children. One more identity, x plus a into x plus b identity. We're supposed to see that part. I didn't give that. The rest everything is completed. Only one part is left over, children. Once it is completed, we'll go with the division of algebraic expressions. Already I discussed division. Once again, we will recapitalize the things, how divisions will be happen. Then that's all for the chapter. Next chapter, what we will discuss. What are the chapters we are very important? Can we go with some part of mensuration topics, children? Areas.
Yes, ma'am.
Surface areas, okay. Construction geometrical part we will see little lost, children.
Yes, ma'am. Data handling and construction.
We'll go with the mensuration. Next topic is our mensuration. We will complete so
Okay,
that you can write your exams, even competitive exams also happily. Right, children. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.
ma'am, my midterm completed, ma'am. Maths.
Okay. Yeah. What, Vishnu?
Ma'am, my midterm completed, ma'am.
Very good. How you wrote your test? You didn't share with me.
Ma'am, it was a Google form test, ma'am.
Okay, for Google Forms, maybe objectives, right?
Yes, ma'am. All
Okay.
objectives.
All objectives, or you want to stop it?